Hello there. We had a question come up today asking, how can you ensure supply chain resilience through risk management and contingency planning? So let's jump right in. In today's fast-paced global economy, building a resilient supply chain is crucial for business sustainability. The key lies in effective risk management and contingency planning. So how can you build this resilience? Firstly, risk management is the cornerstone. Identifying potential risks, whether they're natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, or economic uncertainties, is the initial step. Diversification is a key strategy here. Relying on a single supplier can expose you to vulnerabilities, so having alternatives lessens the impact of disruptions. Another important aspect is data-driven insights. Leveraging technology and analytics helps anticipate and mitigate these risks more effectively. Real-time data on supplier performance, market trends, and geopolitical developments empowers us to make informed decisions and respond swiftly to potential threats. Now, contingency planning is the proactive approach to disruptions. Developing strategies for various scenarios, whether a key supplier faces a crisis or there's a sudden surge in demand, ensures that you can adapt quickly and keep your supply chain running smoothly. Collaborative partnerships are another crucial element of this. Building strong relationships with suppliers, logistics partners, and stakeholders fosters open communication. This collaboration enhances your ability to address challenges collectively and support each other during turbulent times. Resilient inventory management is also crucial. Maintaining strategic stockpiles of critical components or finished goods provides a buffer during disruptions. However, it's about finding the right balance and meeting demand fluctuations without excessive stockpiling. Now, if you find implementing any of these strategies challenging, our company offers expert assistance in building resilient supply chains. We provide tailored solutions in risk management and contingency planning to ensure your supply chain stands strong in the face of uncertainties. Thank you for your time, and bye for now.